Scene script. Have you ever thought about shearing a sheep? No? Well, it might just be the quirky adventure you never knew you needed. Picture this. You're standing in the heart of a rural landscape, a pair of shears in hand, and a woolly sheep at your feet. It's a scene straight out of a pastoral painting, isn't it? But it's much more than just that. It's a skill, an art form, a tradition that's been passed down through generations in farming communities worldwide. Sheep shearing, friends, is not merely a haircut for our woolly friends. It's a dance that requires precision, strength, and a deep understanding of these gentle creatures. It's a bucket list item that's off the beaten path, taking you closer to nature and offering a unique insight into rural life. So, are you ready to dive into this woolly world? Let's unravel the process step by step. Shearing a sheep is an art, a unique skill that requires precision and care. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, preparation is key. You'll need a shearing handpiece or clippers, a comb, and a cutter. It's crucial to ensure these tools are sharp and well-oiled to make the job easier and more comfortable for the sheep. Handling the sheep requires a gentle yet firm grip. Secure the sheep between your legs, with its head tucked under your right arm. This position gives you control and keeps the sheep calm. Now onto the actual shearing. We start with the belly, a sensitive area that requires careful attention. Short, smooth strokes are the way to go. Shear from the sternum to the back legs, removing the wool in a single piece. Next, we move to the sides of the sheep where the long blows come in. These are long, sweeping strokes from the sheep's head to its tail. This part requires a rhythmic motion, much like a dance, moving in sync with the sheep's natural contours. It's a delicate balance of maintaining speed for efficiency while ensuring the sheep's comfort. Once the sides are done, we move on to the head and legs. These areas require smaller, more precise cuts due to the sheep's bone structure. Remember, the goal is to remove the wool in one piece without nicking the skin. During the entire process, it's essential to maintain smooth, continuous movements. This ensures the wool comes off in one piece and the sheep remains unharmed. The wool should peel off like a carpet, revealing a cleanly shorn sheep underneath. Shearing is not just about removing the wool, it's a process that demands respect for the animal and an appreciation for the craft. It's a tradition passed down through generations, a testament to the symbiotic relationship between humans and sheep. And voila, you have a cleanly shorn sheep and a pile of fresh wool. This is the reward of your labor, a tangible result of your skill and care. It's a moment of triumph, a testament to your connection with the natural world. But beyond the bucket list thrill, you might wonder, why do people shear sheep? The answer is multifaceted. First and foremost, shearing is beneficial for the sheep's health and comfort. Imagine wearing a heavy, thick coat in the middle of summer. By removing this dense layer of wool, we help our woolly friends stay cool and comfortable. Shearing also prevents disease. Matted, dirty wool can harbor harmful parasites and bacteria. By keeping the sheep's coat clean and short, we reduce these risks significantly. And let's not forget about the wool. This renewable resource is used worldwide for everything from cozy sweaters to durable rugs, contributing to a sustainable circular economy. For the shearers themselves, there's the satisfaction of a job well done, and in certain areas, potential income opportunities. So, in shearing a sheep, you're not just ticking off a unique adventure, you're also contributing to a healthier, happier sheep and potentially producing useful wool. Now, isn't that an adventure worth embarking on?